Hey everybody, this is Anna with Adventures with Anna. Welcome back to my craft room. Would you guys like to do a project with me? Now I'm going to try and film, this is not going to be a tutorial because I really don't want to film every single little step and show you and tell you exactly how to do it. But I do plan on showing you the different steps of how I am doing it and what I am going to do. This is going to be a Tunisian crochet project. However, if you would like, you could also do this project as a crochet project, just a regular crochet. However, if you do it that way, it would turn out much larger and different than what I am going to be doing. I'm going to be making a Christmas pot holder, and I will be using the corner to corner graph from Repeat Crafter Me for her Christmas pixel Afghan that she has for free on her website. Now I will put a link to that down in the description box below. Go check that out. And as I go along, I will explain the different steps and what I am going to do. First thing I'm going to use, like I said, since I'm doing Tunisian crochet, I'm going to use this hook right here, which is the one that I have been using for all of my pot holders. It is a 5.5 millimeter or a size I crochet hook, and it is the one that is, how long is it? 10 inches, 11 inches? It's about 10 inches long. Normally it would have a little stopper on the end, but my little stopper has broken off, so I am very careful not to let stuff slide off the end. So like I said, it's going to be a snowman, and I am making a pot holder. Her graph for her pixel Afghan square is 25 by 25. Since I like to leave an extra row on the sides and the top, I'm going to do mine 27 by 27. The colors that I'm going to use for the background color, I'm going to use this I Love This Cotton, which the colorway on this is teal. And this is just a regular size 4. That's too close. You probably can't read that, but it's a regular size 4 yarn. I thought it would make a really cute background for a snowman. And I'm going to use this for both the front and the back of my pot holder. I'm not going to do different colors like I have done in the past. This is going to be both front and back. Now, obviously, this is all going to be cotton. Obviously, I need white for my snowman. This is just the regular Lily Sugar and Cream. This is actually ecru, but I'm going to use it anyway. And then for the nose on the snowman, I'm going to use some of this leftover, I think it's bright orange, that I used for my pumpkin pot holder that I made. I'm going to use, which this is Lily Sugar and Cream as well. This is some Lily Sugar and Cream. This is the mill-in that I got. This is black. So this will be for the eyes, the button eyes and the mouth. This is actually it's Peaches and Cream. It's an old version of Lily Sugar and Cream. This is red. And this will be for the holly on the snowman's hat, as well as the stripes on his scarf. And the other color that I'm going to use is this Sugar and Cream. This is the colorway Maud Green. And this will be for the leaves on the holly on his hat, and also the other stripe, pardon me, the other stripes on his scarf. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start our panel, and we'll need to make 2 of these, one for the front and one for the back. So pull that out that end, so that means if I pull it out of this end, that means my tail should be, or my starting one should be on this end, right? Let's see if I can find it. It's somewhere in that mess. There it is. Nope, that's not it. I thought I found it. Do you guys have trouble finding the tails? I always have trouble finding the tails. Well, I think I'm just going to pull this on out because there it is. I was so close. It's right there. found it. So what I'm going to do, like I said, since hers is 25 by 25, mine's going to be 25 plus 2 more would be 27. So I am just going to chain 27, just leave a tail because this is going to have a back on it. I'm going to scoot my chair up just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing a little better. So we're just going to chain 27. And this is just going to be a simple Tunisian panel. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. That's how wide our pot holder is going to be. Now this is about the same size that I have made. I made the pumpkin one. So, and we're just gonna, I'm not gonna go in the back bumps. I'm just gonna go like you would with regular crochet. Just in that top V loop. Turn this around so I can show you. It's like right in that top loop like you would with regular crochet. I'm just gonna go in that all the way across and start my simple Tunisian row. Let's see here. I got to turn around. There we go. So just do the simple Tunisian. All the way across, and when you get across to the other end, you should have 27 loops on your hook. Now, like I said, this is not a tutorial. I'm expecting that you already know how to do do Tunisian crochet, or if you choose, you can also just do the regular crochet corner to corner pattern as it's posted on her website. But like I said, the square will be much larger probably than what mine is going to be, because I think she made a Afghan or blanket or something with hers. But she also has other squares too. I don't have all the colors. I checked through my cotton yarn back there, and the only one that I really had the colors for was the snowman. So that's why I'm making a snowman. Alright, I got a couple more here, and then we will count our loops. Make sure we have 27. And then we will do our return stitch. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27. So just do your normal return stitch for the simple Tunisian or just Tunisian crochet. Yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back. And I know I probably should not be starting another pattern or another project because I've got multiple ones in my bag, but I tend to start a bunch and then work really hard and finish them off. Just work on one and then the other and just keep going until I have them complete. So here we go, finishing up the last couple stitches of our first row of simple Tunisian for our snowman pot holder. There we go. That's what we have. So we've got our first row completed. You need 26 more rows to make 27 rows total. And also remember, you need to make one more panel because you're going to need 2 panels total. You can make it now, or you can make it afterwards when you have the cross stitch done. I don't care. Sometimes I make mine at the same time. Sometimes I make the back panel separate. But you will need 2 panels, 27 wide by 27 tall. Check back with me in my next video and we will start cross stitching.